Welcome back to Incredible Machine. Today we will take you on a journey to explore the most amazing forestry machines. Imagine yourself standing in the middle of a lush green forest, where these powerful machines are tirelessly working to transform rough logs into perfect products. If you love powerful machines and cutting-edge technology, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to not miss any exciting content. Now, let's start this journey. The Bell Logger Feller Buncher is easily cutting and transporting large logs. With a sturdy design and efficient operation, the Bell Logger is the perfect choice for large forestry projects, optimizing the wood harvesting process. The Petzolato PTH 1200/820 drum chipper is easily chipping large logs. With high automation systems and powerful handling capabilities, the PTH 1200/820 is the ideal tool for high performance and superior quality forestry projects. The EcoLog 590D harvester is working tirelessly in all weather conditions. With intelligent control systems and outstanding performance, the 590D helps enhance efficiency and minimize environmental impact. It is the perfect choice for any wood harvesting job. The Rayco RG74TR stump cutter is quickly and efficiently removing stumps. With a powerful engine and sturdy design, the RG74TR is the ideal tool for clearing land after logging, making tough jobs easy. The Kesla C645T chipper is chopping large branches, keeping the work area clean and tidy. With modern design and powerful handling capabilities, the C645T is an indispensable tool for any forestry project. The TigerCat 602 cable skidder is dragging logs through dense forests. With quick and efficient transportation capabilities, the 602 is an indispensable tool for forestry work, optimizing the wood transportation process. The Albach Diamant 2000 chipper is quickly turning hard logs into sawdust. With powerful handling capabilities and a mobile design, the Diamant 2000 is an indispensable tool for any forestry project. The Serra Bavaria SE 135 is an advanced sawmill that offers precision and efficiency in wood processing. Its innovative design and cutting-edge technology make it ideal for producing high-quality lumber from raw logs. The Timberjack 1270D harvester is advancedly operating. With high automation systems and the ability to work in all weather conditions, the 1270D enhances efficiency and minimizes environmental impact. It is a reliable companion for any forestry project. The Bandit 4680 XP is a beast when it comes to processing wood waste. This horizontal grinder can handle the toughest materials with ease, transforming them into valuable mulch and biomass, making it a key player in sustainable forestry practices. The EcoLog 750F forwarder is designed for efficient log transportation. With its durable construction and advanced control systems, the 750F ensures smooth and safe operations, even in the most challenging terrains. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you enjoyed these technological breakthroughs. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to not miss any other exciting content. See you next time.